Well, the pandemic is hitting professional sports hard, and that includes the NBA, where dozens of players are unable to play because of the league's COVID protocols. Now, some key players with the Trailblazers in Portland and the head coach were out of action this past week. KGW's Art Edwards joins us live in the newsroom with the Outlook. Hey, how's it going, Art?
Oh, pretty good, Galen. You know what? This all started for the Trailblazers the day after Christmas. They were scheduled to practice, but there weren't many players available.
I literally didn't know until I came in the building and I was like, where is everybody?
It turned out 7 Blazers were in the NBA's health and safety protocols. More than 100 players around the league have missed time, and 11 games, including the Blazers-Nets game on December 23rd, have been postponed. Head coach Chauncey Billups and assistant Roy Rogers are also in the protocols. The Blazers got Ben McLemore and Dennis Smith Jr. back, but Anthony Simons and Brandon Williams entered the protocols.
It's definitely been a challenge, and I think, as a team, we've done a good job of just continuing to fight, continuing to work, and continuing to compete.
The Blazers are undermanned and undersized and have lost 3 in a row since playing with the depleted roster. They are tied for 12th place in the Western Conference.
This is not only the physical part, this is mentally exhausting. I mean, you have to deal with a lot of stuff.
Norman Powell has been through this before. He started last season with the Toronto Raptors before being traded to Portland. The Raptors had 2 games postponed last season because of a COVID-19 outbreak within the team.
This is my second time going through it, so I kind of know how it feels, but I tell the guys, it's a great opportunity, for the guys who just signed and some of the guys that don't play as much when all the veteran guys are healthy, to go out there and show and play hard and show what you've been working on.
The Blazers players still in protocols are Yusuf Nurkic, Cody Zeller, Anthony Simons, Keljin Blevins, Robert Covington, and Trendon Watford. The Blazers signed Brandon Williams, Cameron McGriff, Reggie Perry, and Jaron Cumberland from the G League. Damian Lillard says he knows that it's a big opportunity for those players.
I feel like my role was to, embrace them and welcome them, and realize that this is an opportunity of a lifetime, regardless of how long it lasts. They're going to be able to say, I played in the NBA. I was in the locker room with Dame, and I want that experience to be a positive experience.
Now, the players have to remain isolated for at least 6 days if they're in the protocols, and if they have no symptoms, they have to pass 2 COVID-19 PCR tests taken 24 hours apart before they can return to the basketball court. It is possible that the Blazers could get Nurkic and Zeller back as soon as Monday, and that's when they have to play the Atlanta Hawks. Galen?
Art Edwards reporting live in our newsroom for us. Thank you so much, Art.